All right, welcome back.
He's here.
Everybody's here. I know, I gotta be weird and start filming myself. Otherwise it doesn't work for YouTube very well.
That's true.
So we're set up. Everything's going set up. We got about 8 hours before we gotta cook.
We'll get a nap in.
Yeah.
While the chicken rests.
Bring some lawn chairs, chill out back there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Bring a hammock.
All right, so this is the Effingham Jam, the barbecue competition, amateur barbecue competition. So we got a little while before we got to start cooking. We're doing, what are we doing? Pork loin and chicken. And so I got my drums. We have Nathan's gravity fed back here, and then I also got my Oklahoma Joe pellet grill. And I think we're dialed. I think we're gonna have this down. I think we're gonna bring another awning here in a little bit and give us a little more shade. But other than that, I think we're doing pretty good. We're set up. We just went to get up some chicken. We got our pork loin already. I think we're even gonna do a second pork loin too. So should be good, man. We're just gonna hang out, and hopefully this will be a better video than my last one because I should have more time to film. Hopefully, I'll probably film those guys more than anything. So you probably won't even see me that much. But anyway, we're just gonna hang out. How's it going?
Got a full rabbit on there.
Oh yeah, nice.
It'll just be like space, right?
All right, you gotta tell me all your recipes.
Love, buddy. All it is love. Where did it go?
Listen, fellas, I'm gonna need all the recipes you have.
What's up, Jazz?
What's happening?
What are you doing today?
You can hunt on that camera.
That's my big microphone, so I can hear you. Or they can hear when I win, when we go on stage.
Are you DJing today?
No,
PAing?
I'm cooking down there.
Oh, you are cooking.
Yeah. All right, Jake's doing the setup. It's looking pretty, man.
Where my
Oh God.
years of beer displays come in practice, Adam.
Look how
So
party.
my years of beer displays come into handy.
Hey, ignore that text I accidentally sent you.
What, you need some now?
No, I still need it. Did you bring it?
No.
Oh.
What'd you need?
Ketchup. Just want to make a hot dog.
Hey.
So now I can actually film what's being done instead of what I'm normally like trying to do it and film. Jake's lovely trim job.
I should have sharpened my knives after last weekend.
Put the pork loin on.
Give her a nice pat in there. There's one.
What do you think would be bacon honey hog or cherry hickory? This already got bacon in it. I'm getting ready to put bacon in it.
Bacon honey.
Or should I just put brown sugar in it?
That works too. You could do a light coat on the top if you want.
I like the bacon honey.
I'd be fine with that. So it's gonna end up being more like a dessert.
You're not kidding.
I'm okay with that. Who doesn't like dessert?
Dude. How's that for a light coat?
Get a shot of them beans. Roll the beautiful bean footage.
Was it front or back?
We just met our delivery boy, Nick. Say hi, Nick. Hi to the YouTubes.
Hello, YouTube. We're gonna need a consent.
We're gonna need a written consent from you.
$100 bill.
Slicing up the chicken right now. Getting ready to do our turn in for chicken. So we got Nathan working hard. I haven't really done anything today. I just been standing here.
I just smell smoke.
Yeah. We just let Jake do it all.
Was it the front or back in Jennifer? That'll be a nice sweet.
Alright, so everything is.
No, you gotta get like.
So I somewhere down there.
4:19. We got 1 minute. Oh, you can't take it early. Oh, okay. Gotta wait till it's exactly 4:20.
Just hold on to it.
Give me a. If you want, you can just put it in my hands and I can wait.
Yeah, put it in his hands. Let him hold it. It'll be in the sun. It'll stay warm.
Right there. Hey Kyle. Okay, we're good to go.
Good.
All right. Safe with me, sir.
Send her, buddy.
I won't.
Don't shake it. All right, so we done turned in our pork loin. We've done turned in our sides. We've done turned in our chicken. Now we got to start cubing everything up and putting them in cups and handing them out to people. So Jake's working on now. Jake's the man with the knife over here. Okay. All right. I don't know if it'll focus on me very well, but as you can see, there's a huge line behind us. And we are getting real low on everything, so it's going very well.
Whatever the highest one you got for that. Yeah, that's that.
Alright y'all, so next day, obviously, I mean, as you can tell, I look a little different. So we went up to do our awards. The awards took forever. That was my only downfall to the whole day, as I just thought that they should have done the awards sooner than they did. We were figuring like 5:30 they were gonna do awards. It ended up not being till like 8:30, and then by the time we left, it was like after 9 o'clock. And like I'm not a stay for the band and drink beer kind of person, but I think that's what they wanted. They wanted everybody to stay around and spend money. They had vendors and all that, and that's not my thing. Was there all day. All of us guys were there all day. We've been cooking. We were in the sun. It was hot. It wasn't actually really that bad. Heat-wise, it wasn't really that bad. This is actually probably the best weekend out of the last couple that we've had. That, I mean, temperature-wise, you know, we had a nice breeze all day, so it worked out for us. But I wanted to leave after awards, and then we had to wait around. By that point, you know, standing around all day and stuff, being on the concrete and all that, like, my back was hurting pretty bad. My knee hurts pretty bad today. My back hurts pretty bad today. But anyway, whoop, what are we barking at? What are we barking at? What are we barking? All right, my dog's barking. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. That was my only complaint from the day. Was that I just wanted to, you know, they should have done the awards a little sooner. But it is what it is. Anyway, I started to film the awards, and it didn't look like we were going to get anything. And one of the awards was for Top Hog Corporate, which basically is if you were competing as a business, then you were eligible for that award, and that's what we did. We were competing as a business because we were doing the Holysmokers Rub Company business, and we ended up winning that one, which means that we had, out of all the corporate businesses that were there, we had the top score on all the businesses. So we got Top Hog Corporate, which was pretty cool. So we walked away with that, but I was filming everything, and then when it came to the other awards, we were like, okay, well, we're not going to get, you know, grand champion or whatever. And then they said this Top Hog Corporate. We really didn't think about it, that we were even eligible for it. And then they called our name, and I wasn't prepared. So that was the one. Of course, that would be the one that I wasn't prepared for. Was the one they called our name for. So anyway, big congratulations to everybody else who you know, got calls that day. There was a team called Wonky Donkey. Wonky Donkey cleaned up. I think he had a first or second in everything. He even got grand champ, all that stuff too. So congratulations to him and everybody else that was there. So that is it for the video. I tried to put a good video together and show a little more about what we were doing, but you know, I was also helping. You know, I'm my own cameraman. So it's hard to do the cooking stuff and be a cameraman. I was trying to take pictures too. I'm trying to convince Nathan to teach me his ways in photography. So I was asking him stuff all day too. So anyway, enough of my rambling. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the links down below. I'll take you on all my social media stuff. I got all kinds of stuff from yesterday on my Instagram and my TikTok and all that stuff. So you guys can check all that out too. So anyway, we'll see you guys later. Peace.